Aaron Estacio. Here we go with the start of the first quarter. Reynan Gumaraw. Basket is good. Basket is good. Jomen Andayan. Mitch Lodia with another basket. Passing it on to Aaron Estacio. Aaron. And here we go with the start of the first quarter. Basket is good. Akita Almario. And basket is good by Aldrin Gubot. Follow to Deo Timaho. No good. Rebound by Akita. Ooh, no good on the alley-oop, but Akita Almario rebounds and gets the basket. Basket is good. Deo Timaho. Basket is good by Warren. Here we go, a timeout for LNJ. I mean for RPPY. Reynan Gumaraw passes the ball to Mitch Lodia. Mitch getting the 2 points. Mitch Lodia being guarded by Alugaye. Oh, Mitch Lodia gets the 2-pointer. Partida, kakagaling lang yan sa laro. And basket is good. Deo Timaho gets it. And here we go, Aldrin Gubot. Basket is good, Aldrin Gubot. Alo gets the rebound. Now going down. Basket is good, Polo Villarreal. Basket 3. There we go. Aldrin Gubot. No good on the attempt. Rebound, Reynan. Reynan Gumaraw, no good pa rin. Mitch Lodia. Basket and a foul. Never passes the ball. Jomel Panganiban. Basket is 3. Nico Panganiban. And we have 10 seconds on the shot clock. No good on the attempt by Jason Deliomas. Akita Almario gets the basket. No good. Rebound goes to Jason Deliomas, passing the ball. Rochelle Saur gets a 2-pointer. Here we go. Rochelle Saur gets the basket for 2 points. That's going to be the end of the first quarter with the official score of 31-25. Back to the ball game. We're on the second quarter. That's gonna be a steal from oh, basket is good. And first personal foul. No good on the attempt there. Rebound goes to Warren D. Warranty to Mitch Lodia. Mitch gets the basket. Panganiban has the ball, passes back to Landayan. Basket is good, 3 points. Mike Maestre. Passes to Mitch Lodia. Mitch Lodia gets the 2 points. Mitch Lodia with another basket. And Jimuel Ocampo attempts a long two. Basket is good. 9, but no good on the attempt. Now Jimuel. Basket is good for, or actually Aldrin Gubot gets another 2-pointer. Basket is good. That's from Kenny Rocacurva. Basket is good. Kenny Rocacurva. Reynan gets a 2. No good on the attempt for Aaron Estacio. Now going down, Reynan Gumalaw. Basket is good, 3 points by Rochil Saur. Rochil Saur, pass to Jason De Leomas. Balik ulit kay Rochil. Rochil to Akita. Almario gets the 2 points. No good, rebound. Goes to Reynan Gumalaw. Reynan Gumalaw, no good on the attempt. Aaron Estacio to Deo. Deo lays it up. Basket is good, 2 points. There we go. Mitch Lodia. Mitch passes the ball. Jimuel Ocampo gets the 2 points. Carlos Saavedra again with the rebound. Passes to Deo Di Majo. Deo goes to the middle. Oh, medyo nadala si Deo. And Rochil Saur gets the basket. No good. And now Rochil Saur gets the basket. Basket is good. Mike Maestre, 3 for PBY. No good on the attempt by Mitch Lodia. Paulo Villarreal with the rebound. Alugaye. Nice fake. Basket is good. Alugaye. No good on the attempt by Mitch Lodia. Akita Almario gets the 2-pointer. Reynan again with 10 seconds on the shot clock. Mitch Lodia to Jimuel Ocampo. Basket is good. Jimuel Ocampo. Alugaye with another 2 points. Mitch Lodia. Basket is good. 2 points. There we go. Drake Acosta. Basket is good. Nico Panganiban. Basket is good. Beakita Almario. Mike Maestre passes to on to Nico Panganiban. Nico Panganiban gets the three. And now Jimuel Ocampo gets the basket for two. That's it. That was good. Rocha Saur passes to Jason De Leomas. Jason De Leomas gets it. Now Joe Melandayan passes the ball. Pass was good. Three by Marwin Trinicio. Marwin to Joe Melandayan. Balik naman ngayon kay Deo Timao. Deo Timao. 3 points for Deo, and that's gonna be a timeout for LNJ Spa. Official score is 77. Attempts, no good. Rebound. Ooh. Pass. Basket is good. Here we go, Warren D. Warren gets the basket.
Kakalagay lang yan. Kakalagay lang. Kakalagay lang lang.
Here we go. Joe Melandayan gets the basket for 2 points. Basket is good. Joe Melandayan. Basket is good by Mitch Lodya. Here comes Renan Gumaro. Passes it on. Jimuel Ocampo gets the basket. And Aaron Casajeros. No good. Rebound for Mitch Lodya. Now Renan Gumaro. Basket is good. And we're gonna have a timeout here for RPBY. Official score 90. Now we have Mitch Lodya. Now Jimuel Ocampo gets the three. Renan loses the ball. Nico to Alo. And J. Margaret Payan gets the basket. Jimuel Ocampo to Mitch Lodya. And basket is good. Akita Almario coming from Renan Gumaro. Rebound for Alo Gaye. No good. And basket is good by Rochelle Sour. Assist. No good. Uy, basket is good by J. Margaret Payan. And now Kenneth Sanera steal and a basket. Now Renan Gumaro passes to Mitch Lodya. Mitch gets the basket. Basket is good by Marvin. Basket score 3. Rochilso. Kenneth Tonner gets the 3. Reynan Gumado passes to Mitch. Basket count for Mitch Lodia. Here comes a basket attempt for the free throw for Mitch Lodia, and that's good. And there goes the last 2 minutes. Basket is good from Kenneth Tener. Reynan runs in. Leaves up, no good. Rebound for Mitch Lodia. Basket is good for Mitch Lodia. Aaron Estacio. Rochil Saur attempts basket 3. There we go. Marvin Janicio has the ball for the inbound. Kenneth Tener. No good on the attempt for the basket. Two for 2. No good. Jimuel Ocampo to Rochil Saur. Basket sub. And Anastacio gets the 2. Basket is good. Joman Andayan. Reynan Gumado has the ball. Reynan passes. A foul will be called on Aaron Estacio. And a technical foul on Estacio. Wait lang. Ano pa ba? Tatlo? Kasi technical. That's a good 3. Nakita Almario, uy. 119-114 is the official score. Basket 3, Aaron Estacio. For 2. Sub. Basket is good. Basket is good for Deo Timajo. Aaron Estacio has the ball. Foul on nakita Almario.
Touch naman. O gusto mo mag-announce sa live?
Here we go. Passing it on to Aaron Estacio. Aaron. Basket three! What the hell? What the shot from Aaron Estacio.
Naiwanan ng bukas.
That's gonna be a foul on Jim Wills Ocampo. Basket is good. Deo Timaho. And that's the end of the ball game with the official score of 121-123.